What up, Tube? Today is Thursday, start of the week, guys. Finally got a day off yesterday. We were still short-handed. Left 2 guys at the shop only, but I had to take a day off. It's hard working 7, guys. It's hard. And to tell you the truth, when you work that many days, it's not even a day off. I had so many things to do yesterday that I didn't even get to rest. Chicken, my guy.
I would fly.
So it wasn't much of a day off. Had to do some running around, take mom to the doctor. I had to go do some financial stuff, some financial movements. It didn't really work out, but that's okay. We tried. So today I'm headed to the shop right now. First of the week. We're getting closer to crunch time, guys. Crunch time is back to school. Back to school right here in the Los Angeles Basin, or the San Gabriel Valley, which is where I live. Is that general high schools all around here? And there's a lot of high schools around here, guys. The high schools around here, they all start around the 15th, 16th of August. So I can expect a lot of students at that time. The university, which is only half a mile away from my shop, starts up on, when do they start up? They start up the 21st of August. So we need to be prepared for those guys. And then Citrus College, which is a junior college, is right next door to the university. They get started on the 22nd or 23rd. So it's all consecutive in like 2 week span. We're going to be swamp busy, guys. Swamp busy. So, trying to find 2 more barbers. I need 2 more barbers for that time. I'm about to go today, and I'm not even gonna get a chance to do that today because I'm gonna be short-handed today again. I can't right now. I'm pretty sure there's only gonna be 2 of us working again today. So I wanted to take a trip down to the local barber school right here. There's a couple of them around here. I wanted to go down there and see if I could scout out somebody coming out of barber school. You know, I could use them right now, at least on the weekends. If you're a barber student, look, guys, if you're a barber student and you're in barber school, there's always barbershops needing people. Okay, so if you're a barber, wherever you are, wherever you live, if you're a barber student and you're doing your hours right now, you know what? You should already be working. You should already be working at a barbershop. You should already be working weekends. You know, I'll hire barber students and work for the weekend. You know what I mean? State board doesn't work on the weekend, so they can always, you know, put somebody to work on Saturday and Sunday at least. You know, so that's I'm looking for a student right now that's almost done with his school that I could bring in, groom him, mentor him, and help him out. You know, but geez, I don't think I got enough subscribers yet. But all right, guys, I'm gonna stop and get a donut right here. I'm gonna head to the shop. It's 8:46. We open up at 9 o'clock, so I shall be there in a few more minutes. Just got back from the bank right now. I'm about to go back inside. It's been a pretty crazy day. It's only me and Tone working, so really super short-handed. I already got 13 haircuts in. So I'm gonna go back in there right now, hit it strong, see what happens, guys. Just keep your heads up. I hope you guys are grinding today. Come on, it's Thursday, man. So we started a new weekend. It's hot as hell right here in LA. So it's like right now it's like 98 degrees, so it's a hot steaming day. So I expect to keep getting busy, and of course we're short-handed, so I'm just gonna keep pumping them out, see what's up. I'll let you guys know what happens at the end of the day. So Thursday is over, guys. Time to go home. Just me and Tone. We held it down today. You know, I mean, I was crazy busy myself, but I mean, there was only 2 of us working, so and Tone was pretty busy. So the customers are still coming in. I mean, we're just shorthanded on guys. So hopefully tomorrow it'll be better. If not, I know me and Tone are gonna be here. So Tone's a trooper. Tone's down to work. I know that, guys. So it is what it is, guys. I'm not even gonna bitch about that shit. Today was a really good day. A lot of new customers came through. I'm noticing that the APU students are starting to pop in. A lot of football players. So the university is only like not even half quarter miles down the street, like a block the next street over. The university. So they have a serious football program there. They're Division II, NCAA Division II, APU Cougars. Shout out to the Cougars. So a lot of their players are starting to come through, and we take care of all the football players. I mean, like this shop gets busy, man. So it's getting critical. Time is getting critical. I need some barbers. I'm hurting for barbers. Nobody wants to make money, I guess. I don't know what's going on. It's all right. I guess I'll keep making it. Yeah, so today was another 23 haircut day. So, but you know, it's expected. There's only 2 of us working. What can you do? You know what I mean? But tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow's Friday. I'll be here early. Hit it again, guys. Grind on. This is what it's like, guys. You guys want to be in this business? You guys want to be in this show? This is what it's like, guys. This is the big leagues right here. So I need some big league players. If you guys know anybody, send them my way, guys. If not, I'll see you guys mañana.